Hey Nash, what should we make? Why don't you fix your ears?
You know I don't have hands. Why don't you fix my ears? Regardless, I want to feel like I'm on vacation in Hawaii. Why don't you make me some Huli Huli Chicken?
All right, let's make some Huli Huli Chicken. Today we're making Huli Huli Chicken. This is a Hawaiian barbecue chicken. It's gonna be a little bit sweet, a little bit savory, a little umami, a little bit fruity, and really just freaking delicious. And we get to use the grill because it's almost summertime. Basically, it probably is summertime when you're watching this video. So let's go. To a bowl, we add 3/4 cups of pineapple juice, 2.5 tablespoons of grated ginger, 2.5 tablespoons of grated garlic, or minced garlic, crushed garlic. You could use garlic paste if you want. 1/4 cup of sherry, or you could use a dry white wine. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, tablespoon of sriracha, or to the bottom of this bottle, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. And then we mix. Set that aside. So we got our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're just gonna hit these with a little salt, pepper, garlic. Then we're gonna take these, put them in a bag, or a container would be fine. To our bag, we add our marinade. Seal that up, get the air out, make sure everything's covered. We let this marinate for, as per usual, at least 20 minutes. A few hours is better, overnight is best. Once our chicken's marinated overnight, we patted it dry, and we are ready to take this out to the grill. We have our reserved marinade here. If you forgot to reserve some of the marinade, you can just pull the chicken out, take that marinade. You want to bring it up to a nice boil for a few minutes because it's been in contact with raw meat, so that'll just fix that problem. So, off to the grill. To a really hot grill, we're going to take our chicken and put them presentation side down. You want to make sure and move them around first so it doesn't stick. Now we can start to baste. Once your chicken has gotten up to 175 for thighs, about 160 if you're using breasts, just gonna go ahead and pull these guys off the grill. And then let them rest. Our chicken is rested and we're ready to start to plate. So I'm gonna take this guy, I'm just gonna take this, put it over some white rice. But you could turn this into a sandwich, eat it by itself, eat it with vegetables, eat it however you want. It's delicious. Time for a bite. Cheers. Oh wow, it's juicy, it's tender. That sauce and marinade is just amazing. It's like a little bit more of a brighter barbecue sauce with that pineapple juice. Just absolutely fantastic. And grilled with a little bit of char, because that's how I like it. Amazing, 10 out of 10, would highly recommend Huli Huli Chicken. Let's see what Nash thinks. Look at that, some Huli Huli Chicken. Can you sit? Good boy, here you go. Is that good? You want another one? Good boy. Nash approves. I approve. Definitely something worth working into your barbecue rotation this summer. Give it a shot. It's super easy and it's freaking delicious. All that being said, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, it would mean a lot. If there's anything you want us to make, drop it in the comments or go on the website, send us a message there. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.